here. Pasta. We can make a soup today or not?
I'm not sure what we have.
Дискуссия. Of course not. Nice.
Yes.
So my advice, when it's easy, these kind of the pot, you just need to make this. And let's get it. Wow, this is right.
Oh, can you make a photo for me and put it in there? Yeah.
Ik ben altijd de chemie weer aangehouden. Altijd. Maar ze rijden altijd.
You want to clean this?
Yeah, we have more dishes coming up.
Oh yeah. I want to show this one guy.
Okay, cute, right?
Cute guy. That's what I love. You need plastic bags. I think it's. So some plates you need to wash with this because the apparatus don't have enough hot water right now. So this whole food still here. So basically that to wash with your hands, you know. This one before you go to the automat, you clean and absolutely clear, but it's still now. Sorry. So basically I skip the 1 hour of the dirty stuff, and this is the last one. So we've done half of 4. Basically, if you only do 21 per week, you can use the 6 hours, which is people here. So basically, in a week, you have 350 euro for this job. As you saw on the video, that the problem is the statistic it is said for the younger people is much more cheaper, and that's why. But younger people cannot do always good things, because younger people can basically put Dutch came from the school in the war, stuff like this. but they are motivated to make the quick money here, so that's why it's also not productive. So that's why you better to hire the human who understand how it works, you know, stuff like this in the 6 hours, and maybe in the months you will have for the 1,400 euro, and then you can start to calculate the minus rent of the stay, the minus insurance, and minus the cut tax back until the vacancy yields. So basically it would be enough to just meet the zero. If you go into the 5 days of the 6 hours and you have basically good restaurant chief without any conflict. So see you in the next video.
But no, I think you do have a good point.